Alrighty, y'all. It has been a minute since your boy has been on here, but we just got a very important package. And I thought, what better way to make my return than unbox this puppy? And if you guys know, I've been wanting one of these for a long, long time, okay? And my birthday was the other day, so I thought I'd get myself a little birthday present, something a little nice, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to buy assets, not depreciating ones. This was my excuse, my birthday, to finally buy one of these. But before we do that, you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen some exciting stuff, okay? I'm officially a father of 2. I'm a double girl dad. We got a brand new puppy in the house. Meet Lola. I'm officially a dog dad of 2, a girl. Oh, it tickles. I'm officially a girl dog dad of 2. I recommend getting a dog. Your life changes when you become a father. So, all right. If you hear them fighting in the background, that's why. All right, let's open this puppy up. As some of you guys know, I have been wanting one of these for a very, very, very long time, but I never, ever pulled the trigger yet. 1, because it was really hard to find, and 2, just because I wanted to invest my money a little bit better elsewhere before I did this. But we had a very successful summer. If you guys kind of watch my videos, you know what I do for work. We had a very successful summer, and it was my birthday. So I thought, why not get myself a little birthday present? Shout out my boy, Mr. Victor White. His brother-in-law is a watch dealer and hooked it up. So this puppy is brand spanking new, but boy, oh boy, am I excited for this. By the way, this is my first ever nice watch / Rolex. I've never had an actual nice watch. I've always wanted one, but oh baby. Oh. Alrighty. You guys ready for this? I'm actually excited. Oh baby. So we got box papers. This thing is brand spanking new, 2024, unworn. It cost a couple pretty pennies. I'm gonna let you guys see it before I do. You ready for this? Can you see it, Mel? Oh, dang, boy, look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Look, can you see it? All right, so this is a Rolex Datejust with the Jubilee band. It's a 36 millimeter. I was gonna get a 41, but in case you guys didn't know, I'm kind of a smaller guy. I'm like 5'8", kind of skinny. So the 41s were just way too big, so I ended up going 36 with the mint green face. Look at that. This thing is gorgeous. And again, it's a brand new 2024 unworn. So I paid a pretty price for it, but we might have to go to a watch dealer later and make sure it fits. But my guy who got it for me, I believe he took off some bands. So yeah, it is a little bit, so we're gonna take it off. But oh my gosh, look at that, bro. Look at that. That is clean, fellas. Look at this. Oh, baby. How does it look when I just walk around like this? It's too big. How does it look?
Looks good.
They look good?
Does
that look fast? Look at that. That, my friends, is a beautiful watch. I need to take off one more band. I'll probably have to take off 2 more links. Boy, look at that. Is that not beautiful? That's got to be the most beautiful thing you've ever seen. That is a beautiful watch. Now, again, this is my first Rolex. I've never really had, you know, nice watches, but I definitely want to start getting into them. Also, technically, you could classify them as buying an asset, so it's kind of an excuse. Also, I don't know if this is a tax write-off. We'll find out. But I'm going to have to go to the jeweler. I'm going to go get 2 links removed. And then I think it should be fitting me pretty dang good. So I'm super pumped. I'm gonna go get this thing fitted, and then we're gonna go see how good it looks with the whole fit. You know what I'm saying? So hey, we just pulled up to a jeweler who can do my links for me, and boy, I'm excited. Then we're gonna do a fit check because my girlfriend dressed me today, so I have a good little fit on too. So we're gonna do a full fit check. So, and then we're gonna go to breakfast because I promised her we'd go get breakfast. So let's go.
You're embarrassing yourself.
Hey, what's on your wrist? Hey, look at that. Does it sparkle? What do you think? All right, y'all, that's gonna be it for this video. It's a quick one, short and fun. I just wanted to make a fun little video before I came back for good. Your boy's gonna be uploading. I'm gonna try to do it once a week, all right? I'm committed. The next 8 months are gonna go absolutely crazy on here, so hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your support, and I will see you very, very soon. God bless. Oh, Rolly.